Many beginners lose money in poultry farming because they buy chicken at the wrong age. In this video, I will explain the best age to buy your layer chicken and what beginner should avoid. My name is Amelia, and in this channel, I share practical tips to help beginners to succeed in their layer poultry farming. There are three options when you want to start your layer poultry farming, when you want to choose your chicken. So the first option is by buying a day-old chick. The first option is buying the day-old chick. This is usually the cheapest option and is the best way to start with. But this option, there are advantages of it. The first advantage is the chicks are usually cheap, and also you can control your feeding and your management. You can also do your vaccination yourself. But there are also challenges. And disadvantage of buying day-old chicks. There are also, if the brooding has to be done well, and also you have to provide heat and care for several weeks. So you have to make sure you give them enough heat, and you have to wait for 18 to 20 weeks before the egg starts. So this process, it is a wrong process before you starting making money. So many beginners lose chick during brooding if you are not doing it very well. So you can lose a lot of chick during this process because it can be there is a lot of things. So if you don't provide enough heat, maybe sickness or anything, so in this stage you can lose many chick. The second option is buying growing pullet. The second option is buying growing pullet. Is usually between 8 weeks to 14 weeks old. And there are advantages of buying the pullets of these 18 to 14 weeks. The advantage is the birds are usually stronger, lower in mortality. The risk to die, they are lower because they have already grown, and there is also less brooding because they have also passed the brooding ages. So it is safer too. So, however, you still have to wait some weeks before you see some eggs, so you can start making money. So the third option is the point of layer, or you can say ready to start giving you egg. The option, that's the option. They normally start from the age of 16 to 18 weeks. And there are advantage of buying the point of layers. Birds start laying eggs soon. As soon as you buy your point of layer, they start giving you egg, and they also give you the fast return on your investment, and they also less early age risk. So there is no risk on this option, on this point of layers. This option is more expensive, but it's very expensive when you do this. It's very expensive and also safe for beginner. This one is very expensive, but it's also safe for beginner. So there are also, my recommendation is for the beginner is the best option is to buy 16 to 18 week, which is, they call it a point of layer. Why? Because mortality risk is lower, brooding stage is already done, and a bird will start laying eggs soon. They'll start giving you egg already. If you have experience and you want to lower your cost, then raising a day-old chick can also work. So my tip for you, before buying this chick, make sure your birds are healthy where you are buying them. Make sure they are vaccinated and they give you the schedule on where to start and where to end. Make sure you make your research before you buy from your provider, because before buying from the provider, make sure you do all those research, because some of the provider, if you don't know, you end up buying the wrong beds and they are not healthy. So in this video, if this video help you, like it, subscribe it, give it a thumbs up, so I will continue giving you more practical about layer poultry farming tip. Thank you so much, and comment what age is your chicken. What age is your chicken?